solar and storage. This is the wall for the house, no?
Yeah, battery system.
Battery lahat ito? Ganon?
Na-stackable. Meron
Stackable. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 52 ampere. Ha?
Type 2.
Ah, ito yung para sa car.
Ano? Type 2.
Meron ganito. Ito all-in-one system na. May kasama na siyang PV input. Ito na yung inverter. Ito na yung mga to.
Anong PV input? Ano to?
Yan, nandiyan yung yung solar panel.
Ah, so solar panel. Yun.
Laptop niya. May input output.
Bakit may 1 and 2? Dalawa kailangan?
Dalawang series. So, gusto mong dalawang series.
Kasi ito yung sa grid, pwede na rin pumasok sa Meralco. So inverter ano na pala to. Kasi ito yung pinaka ano niya.
Kasi yun yan. Iba, wala yun.
Oo.
Yun, itatay mo.
Oo. So I and B, tignan mo. Yung mga solar na lumalabas pa lang ngayon, two-sided siya. Sa vibration, oh. Kaya two.
You don't have this one.
Bifacial and monofacial. So, wow. Yun na, sorry.
Otherwise, I mean, okay, that is the cloud, but for the roof, maybe it's a bit lower, like 30 centimeters.
We are use it on roof-mounted.
Okay, when you use a roof mounted, right? You don't gain so much. You don't gain so much. Yeah.
To elevate the
Yeah, you have to elevate. But actually,
Kamas naman to si pare. Yeah.
The traditional PV system, the existence of DC high voltage is a safety risk,
Paliwanag mo nga, pre.
especially in emergencies such as fires. DC high voltage threatens the safety of firefighting and rescue personnel.
Dapat patayin
In
mo.
case of fire accident, AMC
Yung parang alarm, yung cut-off system.
system and reducing the voltage
Lighting.
below 80 volts in 30 seconds, effectively avoiding the risk of fire. Ensuring
Case of
safe
fire?
but relevant personnel's lives. AMC now offered a variety of shutdown methods, including on-site manual shutdown, ATP remote shutdown, and high-temperature automatic shutdown. It supports up to 124 up to 5 volts current. The communication distance
May computer, no? Kanila, pagkain sa'yo, no?
of large industrial and commercial power.
Buy online.
It supports the installation methods.
Bali yung arrestor yun, no? Lumalabas.
30 seconds. Microsoft developed ADC supports communication methods such as
Ito, ano to?
This is the battery?
communications.
no, that's the transmitter. RC.
Okay.
International testing certifications such as ACC supports
Installs our
1741 and UL37.
All-in-one power system, oh.
DC
It's an EV
charger.
charger.
DC
Charger for AC.
Type 2, GBT. Which type? Type 2 or GBT?
Type 2 or Type 1.
All type 2. Or type 2 or type 1.
As you demand, I can also produce the GB.
GBT.
GBT. Because some Chinese car
Right.
imported to the Philippines. Yes.
Alright.
If you use a GBT standard,
All-in-one
cheaper than
solar power
type. Cheaper than type.
Okay. So this comes with this one, and how many amperes?
How many amperes?
13. 32.
32, oh.
7 kilowatts, yeah. 7
Fast charger?
No, semi pa. Slow. So AC charger.
Yeah.
But
we have
current is not adjustable. Fixed. Fixed current.
Fixed.
Okay.
What is this
fixed.
Ay, sorry, sir.
If your car can adjust the current, it can.
What I need is the input. You can adjust the current. Let's say your outlet is only
Yes.
10
Of
amperes.
course, it can.
You can lower the.
Yeah.
Alright.
You can reduce the speed of the charge.
Yeah. This one adjustable.
Yes, of course.
This one is for what? For tapping card?
The car or remote by the IDB.
Good.
And if you like, you can use this for the business operation. We have management platform.
You can ask money for charging.
Yes. You can earn money from the charge.
They have a system.
Yeah, we have a system.
Very nice. Brochure. I have paper for this. Paper.
The papers?
Yeah.
Document for this one.
Portable power station. Portable power station. Ito. Stackable. May bag ako dito sa likod ko. Naipon ko lang.
400 watts.
Ano yan? Siguro. No?
5,700.
Ito 1,000. Pero sandali lang siguro buhay yan.
Ito babagyan mo yung 1 hour. So 933 lang siya. Charge mo ng 1,000. Wala is doon 1 hour.
Less than 1 hour. Para maganda lang yung lalagyan. No? Parang business opportunity kung gusto nyo raw magkaroon ng chance na magkaroon ng charging station. Ito, pwede may business opportunity dito. Since hindi pa masyado yung charging station sa Pilipinas.
Do you have local or you can just direct from
Other one, kasi kung papasok tayo sa EV and storage, we need charging stations. Gaya ng coaching sila natin kanina, so magiging kailangan din yung mga charging stations. Kaya pwedeng business opportunity, di ba? Yeah, business opportunity. Ano yung sinasabi yung type 1 or type 2? Ano ba talaga ang common?
Dito, maraming type 2.
Type 2. Yung sa'yo, type 1?
Type 2.
Type 2.
Sometimes GBT from direct from China. But we need an adapter for that.
Sa mga small, sa mga big.
This is 7.4. Ito yung medium slow.
Medium slow. Ano to? 7.4 times 2. 2.
7.4
Times 2.
by 2. What
Yung
is
sa akin. Here and here. Oh.
current adjustable? You can adjust. It's fixed. Let's say the car needs 7 kilowatts. Yeah. You adjust automatic.
Very nice. Yung solar panels dahil high current, high power na. May mga rapid shutdowns in case of emergency. So meron mga switches na sunod sa parang switcher siya, kaya tingnan mo yung parang nakakabit sa mga solar panels niya, you'll have a switch. Array of switch. Photovoltaic. Ito po. DC combiner box. Technology of floating. Kailangan to sa lake, walang alon, no?
Oo. Pero kahit ang link, alon pa rin.
Sa Thailand daw siya. Sa mga bahay, sa Malaysia, Mercedes. Oh!
Marina Bay.
Marina Bay, oh! The rooftop project at Marina Bay Sands is 145 kilowatt. industrial correct. Ito nga, 58 megawatt. Oh, kaya na ito mag-power yung city, no? 58 megawatt look, oh. Sa Thailand. Floating PV power station. JA Solar, ah. Tignan mo, ano? San Marcelino, Zambales. Hindi kaya. JA Solar, hindi kaya ito nasa ayun, no, San Marcelino, Zambales, oh. 384 megawatts. Solar PV. Oh! Masip yung Tarlac. 60 megawatts. Ito pala yung mga pinagsasabi kong ginagamit na sa atin, eh. Ayan, Batangas, oh, 1 megawatt, 18 megawatt, mapalakan. Kaya sabi ko pala, nandiyan yung mga activity na hindi kaya yun yung pinapatag sa puso sa atin, bundok. At plain naman siya, no? JA Solar. This will be the installation system. Far away from here.
Yeah, installation system. We only contact by email, so
Weatherproof? Weatherproof?
address is changed, so I forget it is
Oh, thank you. Oo. Ay, sa bubong.
30 cm.
Kapal naman ng yero, no?
Kunyari yun. Pero plastic yan.
Ah, plastic.
Yan o, para mag-reflect yung araw sa likod.
Ano yung 30 cm? 3 inches? Or 4 inches?
30 cm.
4 inches yun.
Mga 4.
Okay yun ah. Nire-reflect yung 2%.
Kaya, kaya may 2 to 3%.
Of course, 2% is 2%. Malaki pa rin yun. Oo. This is aluminum, so this is weatherproof, no? Kailangan weatherproof. Kasi nasa bubong siya eh. Nasa bubong siya eh, kaya tignan nyo. Look. What is this? Ground?
Where can we
Oh, ano yan? Angle?
Oo eh. Yun ang hinahanap ko ngayon eh, kasi maraming instance na hindi
Hindi pwedeng diretso lang.
diretso lang eh. Naawa ako dun sa ano eh.
Sabihin ito yung sa bubong, tapos...
Oo.
Ay, hindi pa ganun. Yun o, may
Hindi. Ito dapat na
sa ilalim.
Hindi, ito yung mount.
Ah, kasi yung bubong mismo ang hindi pantay, ano?
Oo eh.
Pero mas para may support ito eh.
Oo. Mas maganda eh. Mas malaki yung
Kapit niya. Last Solar. Ito na yung mga ano
breakers. Connector.
yung ba yung sinasabi mo yun, yung binili mo lately. Ano to, splitter? Splitter?
Kasi ano, dalawang string. Dalawang string. Tapos ipaparallel mo.
Kasi ganun din naman, nakaparallel din naman sila.
Oo.
The first space.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Oh, you are interested in MC4 connector?
Yeah.
Actually, all solar products.
This one, look. This one. Ah,
Yes.
same. Bar switch. Hindi ka na nakakabit na pag maliit na no.
So use this
Crimpers. Crimpers. Oo nga, may portable house. More than solar. Look oh. you need to do business with solar, kailangan yung solar crimpers. Crimpers for the high tension cables. We have big cables. Gumagamit ba tayo ng ganito? Minsan. Ito yung parang sa container.
Related to solar, but we are specifically what interested on that.
I can send you detailed information.
You can email it to me.
But when I back to China, because today and tomorrow is so busy.
No problem.
So can you show me your WhatsApp or email? I send you detailed information.
I have my email here.
This is WhatsApp. Is this WhatsApp?
No, I don't have
You know WhatsApp. Just the email to
Viber.
you. Send an email to you, okay?
DC breaker. Mini.
Iba raw yung AC breaker.
Iba pa rin. Meron pang AC. Ito pang DC. Basta may plus minus. DC yan.
Mas maganda. Para yung polarity ma-acknowledge mo yun, ano?
Sorry.
Kahit nasa parte ng ano.
Okay.
Sana color-coded sana. So yung pala yung DC breaker, may polarity mo.
Yes. So, most of our projects are what we are having problems in the store.
Yeah. Additional
We have
rooms.
many contractors for Asia in China. Yeah, we have I send you detail.
We can do the marketing for you here in the village.
Right?
Yes, very good. Yeah, we can do that. Ano to? Battery lang, sir? Battery lang to? Pero pang solar o pang
Pwede
sa
pang
kotse?
solar. Oo. Ay, hindi kasi. Hindi pwede kotse.
Ano yun? Ito yung laki.
Pang solar din. Kasi ay, ang cute.
Excuse me, sir. Can you leave the book to us? Because sorry, found them.
Only one?
No more. Sorry.
Yes, yes.
I can send you e-catalog.
You have
E-catalog.
I only have one more, so
you want to
malaki tong.
Recycling ka na lang.
Next PV code to
Yeah.
connect the solar
PB.
panel.
Okay. Meron.
How much
It's a
maximum power?
foundation
How much maximum power for the
5
solar?
kilowatt hours. Solar panels power around 5,500.
Wow, 5,500.
5.5 kilowatts.
Ito na yung controller mismo.
Yan na.
Pwede na.
Di gulong.
How heavy is it?
Gumawa na ako ng ganyan.
Heavy,
Yeah.
not heavy.
Is it
This is
heavy?
empty tank, no real battery.
Can we try?
Ay,
No
no battery, no battery.
No
This is
battery.
empty case.
Empty case.
Empty case. That's why it's not heavy. Because the battery is not yet installed. That's the battery.
What battery do you install
Check
here?
the size.
Lithium iron phosphate.
This is the size. And the weight is now I remember around 35 kilowatt. Yes.
Kilograms.
Yes.
Like a whole person.
Yeah.
Installer and user.
We have a business.
Wholesaler.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can.
We design fabricate.
And you will install this battery in your warehouse.
Yeah, we have wall mount.
We are mounted. We also
You have wall mount?
Yes, we also have wall mounted.
Friend, card. Wait. Starbucks.
Rock mounted. And I'll send you our e-catalog by email. We cooperate for more than 20 years.
Songli. Oh, motorcycle battery.
storage.
Yes. Yeah, this is for motorcycle, right? Motorcycle.
No.
Ah, no?
For the UPS.
Ah, UPS.
We also have a motorcycle series,
Yes.
but not here.
Yeah.
This show is for the solar and the storage.
This is LED.
Lead exit, yes.
Very nice. Songli.
Yeah, TCS. I can take
No, for the YouTube. Video.
Oh, you're taking the vlog.
Yeah.
Without anything inside, you also sell it.
You want this one?
No cash on me. No cash on me. Now I'm talking. Oh, you want to buy this one? Or maybe tomorrow.
Yeah, so if you want the higher capacity, you can choose this.
Backpack bag solar. Oh. For charging your phone. Binibenta kaya dito yan? Power bank charger.
Tapos ayun yung mga cables.
Sir, sira mo tayo natin. Sige,
Ang nadadagdag pagka may facial.
backup solution. Solar pump. Ayan naman, may nakabang, no? Wow. Solar pump. Look, oh. This is for the farm because in the farm, no electricity. You can put solar panels on the pump. We got some immersive.
Factoring ng solar.
Oh, that's why they can make it cheap.
Yeah, different. 60. This is big capacity, 16.4 kilowatt.
Or less the slow one.
The biggest size battery in the market.
16
One single
kilowatt.
battery. 16.4.
Ultra thin Sonic. It's the wall. 16 kilowatt wall. Yeah.
Very thin and really easy to do installation. You only need 4 screws.
4
to
screws.
on the wall. That's it. And with Bluetooth function. 18,600 peso. 860. Oh, sorry.
86.
86,000. 86,000 peso, yeah. For 16.4 kilo.
Wow.
Is that cheap? Yeah, for me personally, it's cheap.
Where can we buy here in the Philippines?
Next month, we're looking for a warehouse after the expo. Then we're sending some battery from China to a warehouse in Manila. Next month, yeah.
Maybe you can call this.
Sure. Maybe you can email to me or that's my WhatsApp PB here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is type of also.
Yeah, that's my email address. Let's keep in touch.
Yes.
Once we start to deliver from battery from China, I will let you know. I will let you where the battery will arrive Manila.
Okay. Yeah.
That's good.
Active balancer. The BMS we're using is active.
This has wheels.
Maybe inside. Yeah.
Is it active or passive? Passive or active?
Wait.
Passive. Yeah, passive.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Do you
can put wheels, huh?
No, we can put it where actually you don't need a base. You need why? You know, where the cable connection is on the right side, it's not on the back.
Yeah.
So remove this cover, do the cable connection.
Yeah.
Which you can save the cost on the base. You don't need a base actually.
Expose
When
the
I
cable.
expose wires, expose hidden, here. Hidden wire. Very clean. Okay.
Para the phone on you.
The marketing.
Yeah, you know why? Because it's a screw. It's really you install up screws. Yeah.
Presentation. Marami palang cases. Many cases. There are many cases.
How we can use those products already. That's nice.
That's it. That's it. Very easy.
Inverters and hybrid inverters.
You want inverters?
Hybrid inverters.
If I bring on this side.
Yeah, there, let's go.
看你们去哪？不是看我高呀？
This inverter.
看你们去哪？
How many power?
So, ano yung mga 8 inputs. And 4 series na siya. 4 series. Mas maganda yun. Ganda naman yung battery. Ang laki.
Ano eh? Multiple wires, no? Multiple wires.
Hindi, isa lang. Isa lang. Wala, laki yung
Kasi sobrang laki na ito.
Ilang
10,000.
kilowatts?
Ah, 50!
15.
And this one?
3.
Ah, 5.
This
48 volts? 48 volts?
Yes, 48 volts.
Ah, yeah, 48.
5 kilo.
Yes, it's off grid.
Ah, off-grid.
Ah,
This one is on hybrid.
Okay, this is a hybrid. It's 3-phase hybrid.
Do you have hybrid for 5 kilowatts?
Yes, we have. But we don't take the sample here.
aha. But you have in the list now.
Yeah, maybe later I can share you our brochure.
Yeah.
Maybe you will give me a
Solar air conditioning. Look, oh. Ah, kina-target lang is just the air conditioning. How much for this system?
Can you leave your contact information?
Ah, yeah.
I can send you after the exhibition. When I go to my hotel, I will sort out the price list. Thank you so much.
Yeah, we have. We're also installing solar.
You manage doing installer here.
Yeah, Philippines.
Also sales
Yeah.
installer together.
Yeah. You can talk to my boss. Boss!
Where is the
Boss,
boss?
come, boss. They need storage system for marketing
Hello,
here in
how
the
are you?
Philippines.
Hello!
Hello.
Do you have my card?
Ah, yeah, ayun na, card.
Sim?
That's me.
Oh, thank you.
They have air conditioning specific. Air conditioning specific.
And our air conditioner.
But DC. The DC power.
Easy AC boost. When we not need the batteries, we can work with solar panels and city power. If you need to add batteries, we can add a IPS container, and then we can add batteries to the air conditioner. Can work with 3 modes, solar powers, a city power, solar panel, and the batteries. Is
They send you the pricing.
okay? Is this WhatsApp number?
Yeah.
We don't have
Viber, yeah, Viber, yeah.
I think I can download the Viber. Many customers use Viber here, but my knowledge is limited. We only use WhatsApp or WeChat in China.
We're interested in more batteries.
Also, this email is available.
I can give you another email if you want. I'll give you another email.
Thank you.
Most users only need to power their aircon.
ENGR.
Give this.
We
this technology to them.
My facial factor, 85%.
Whoa, come on! I mean, degradation, oh.
So from 615, pag tumulong yung likod,
Yung 635, yun. So yun pala yung bifacial. Bifacial means both sides.
both sides.
Ano yung efficiency 22%? Taas yan, no?
Pero may 23 na eh.
Saka 635 lang siya, pero takot namin.
Less than 1% segregation.
Surgery na overtime, hindi kaya natin.
Kaya 25 years.
Wala naman, no? Smooth naman.
Ito pang clean water lang.
Ayan. Ayan, you can run without water.
Sa first, siya sa ganyan kalaki. Dapat ganyan kalaki ito. Hindi nakapagpilig ka.
Tingnan mo, solar submersible pump sa farm. Gagawa ka lang ng butas. Diba, habang may araw, doon ka mga pwede mag-irrigate. Tapos, paggabi na, wala na. Dahil sa araw, walang naman daw mag-irrigate. Pump system ito. Solar power pump. Ito yung controller niya. Galing, you can get this from this company. This is 2200 watts, this is 750 watts. Galing, ano? Hindi akala ko surveyor. Akala ko nagsusurvey kung ano meron sa ilalim. Yung pala, pump pala siya.
Dapat ganyan kalaki. Para kakasya niya.
Ano naman sa farm, i-irrigate sila naman sa umaga.
Pag napuno mo na yun, hindi yung tapon doon sa farm. Tapos na lang, may pakawalan yun.
Dapat yung mga bukid natin, hindi kailangan, di-deliver pa yun, ba? Grabe. Irrigation, irrigation. Iasa ka pa sa NIA. Sa main. Pero may outlet, ah. So basically, sir, nakalil sa power na yan. This is battery power to air conditioning. Ito flow. Battery power. Nakakonecta siya rito sa battery. Kasi ito lang po. Yung price set mo talaga sa hindi na po patay oh, patay ito. Kaya pala hindi malamig lang. Meron mga price. Dahil malakas siguro sa kuryat yan. Kasi may aircon na yung lugar eh. Yung sa ano sir, 150,000? Yun.
Pwedeng battery. Paggabi, sa grid ka. Yes. Pag-araw, solar. Yes. Wala ka na i-adjust. Basta pagpasok ng alas 6 ng gabi, baba si breaker ng solar, panig naman si kuya. Ganun lang po. Ay, usually pag sa office na tararo, pag-gabi mo kailangan.
Ito ba yung pinaka-box niya? So, ito lang.
Controller niya.
Controller ng start niya. Ito may output na pala solar, no? Solar.
Opo. So parang important.
Di ba?
required good
inverters
sign.
like the air.
Hindi. Actually, sa wala din siya non-sticky sign. Kasi yung si Kajel ko, paano niya ibabawas yung...
Kaya siya naging hybrid. Okay. Yun lang. Wala siyang extra component na napakaganda at napakalinis. Regular inverter lang siya.
Tamo ro, yung running na nga yung solar sa kayo.
Bilang watts na kailangan ng solar panels. Apat na ganito po, 450 watts kada isang solar panel. So, apat na ganito. Yes. Para sa isang 1.5 horsepower na inverter na aircon.
Kano kaya yung cost? Kano kaya yung cost ng setup?
Sir, ang isang set po natin equivalent po sa 90,000.
90,000.
Apo, para sa 1.5, hindi po po.
Yun ang pinaka-machine. Pero ang ganda.
90 para po sa 1.5.
1.5 pa yan. Oh.
Ganda yan sa mga 150 naman po para sa araw pa na doon sa home. Yes, sir. Pag sa bahay, hindi applicable po.
Kailangan mo sa gabi. Oo, tama.
Kuryente gabi. Sayang.
Unless na sa bahay ka na po.
Kaya yung mga establishment ka sa home base ka lang na pala. Yes.
Asan yung ano?
Panoorin mo yan. Ito yan. Tagal ang sa'yo. Don't do
Pero hindi siya main solar. Hindi main solar ang vlog niya. Wala kang main
What about solar? Hindi. Ano siya? Civil engineer din siya. So, mga development, mga architecture, bahay.
Pero bahay niya pinasolar.
Bahay niya pinasolar.
Hindi kaya yung bahay ang sinusunod.
Baka nakalagay dyan yung bahay.
HD solar. No? Ganda lang yung araw talaga. Ayan oh, wow!
Gagalaw.
Dami oh! Mahal. Pero kung German technology naman. Ito, there's a windmill. This is a mini windmill. Look. Ito kaya.
Our friend, that's our business roofing.